Welcome back. Gonna get a bit more done on this, I think, today. So, if you remember from the last video, or the last video, I think 3 videos ago now, God, it's been a long time, I did a repair to this chassis leg here. Top of it looks alright. I'm quite happy with all these, the roll and everything. That all went really well. However, when I tried to bend it, round and get it right, it just made a complete mess of it. So what we've decided to do is, I'm going to make it again. See how it goes. Who knows? This could be round 2 of many rounds. This could just be round 2 and it works. Let's see how we get on. Right, let's have a little catch up, see where we're at. So, where did I get to the last time? Yes, so where we've been is I've trimmed up the chassis leg. A spot of flash rust on the outside there, but that's not the end of the world. So what I've done is sprayed through the inside with anti-rust weld through primer. Cut out the metal beam in the inside. That's ready to weld back in, and sprayed that through as well with weld through primer. So it's just a matter now of popping it on and get some welds in there. See if we'll get this thing bashed on tonight. Right, as you can see, it's welded on, just needs dressed up, that's all. Obviously once I clean these welds up a bit, chop these holes in back there, that should be as good as that once it's done and primed. Getting it nice and close to the body as well, so there's no big gaps. I'm pretty damn impressed with that. There we have it. I'm going to call it a day on this chassis leg now. It's getting late on tonight. I've got things to do. I'll be honest, I've got things to do, doing things tomorrow, so hence why I've had to kind of rush this through a bit tonight. So as you can see, all it needs now is just dressed up, the holes cutting back in, and then I'll be honest, I'll be quite happy to put a fork in that one eventually and call it done. I'm much more happier with this repair. So rather than having a patch up here and a patch back here and a little bit of questionable area back there, now it's just one nice solid long leg. And I've put the, as you've seen, I've put the like the bracing back inside the chassis leg as well. So I'm absolutely over the moon with that. So thank you very much for watching. It's been always a pleasure, never a chore. You know it can. Just yeah, thanks to all the new subscribers, because we've had another influx of them. Channel is growing slowly, but it is growing. That's the main thing. Again, you guys are keeping me motivated to keep this thing going and keep churning out content to keep you guys happy. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you thought about the video, and see you next time. Ciao.